Okay, so here's my page. This is all my art journal pages. I lay down background colours before I start, and so this whole book has got it's already got stuff on it. So when I'm doing a page, say like this one, I would then rub over other pages. Okay, so the challenge for this is to use your non-dominant hand. So that for me is my left hand. So everything I do from this point on is going to be done with my left hand. So I hope you enjoyed the challenge. Thanks for taking part, and I really do look forward to seeing what you come up with. Okay. I might have to fast forward some of this, so you'll see bits and things going on in the background. Okay. On this page, if you're curious, all I've done is I've used sprays to colour the purple, and there's a kind of orange spray. I've got washi tape on here, and I've written the alphabet and some numbers around the page. Your page doesn't have to be complex. You can keep it as simple, make it as simple or as complex as you like. So as you can see, as I said, everything is with my left hand, even applying gesso. So I don't know how this is gonna come out. Oh, not bad there. There we go. This feels so weird, but it's good. It's good. I find it that it definitely does get you out of your comfort zone, and you find you end up taking, well, this is a bit more time for me, and just trying to be careful, getting the paint in places that I really want it to be in, but just have fun with it. Don't stress yourself out too much. Don't stress yourself out at all, actually, because this is about a journey and about growth. And I probably will, in some of my sessions, do some more exercises where we use our non-dominant hand.